What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach you Chinese online. Sometimes you can see Chinese people talk in a movie, even though there is English translation underneath. Have you ever wondered what they are actually saying? Or do they speak proper Chinese? Today, let's take a look at Crazy Rich Asians made in 2018 and check out those lines.
他真的烂透了，可以换人吗？
这部戏的男朋友都知道，你能说换人吗？哼！
他真的烂透了。他 she 真的 really 烂 to be rotten 透 fully completely 烂透 together means to be rotten to the core. 了 is exclamation here. 可以换人吗？可以 can we 换 to change to substitute 人 person 吗 yes no question. She really is rotten to the core. Can we substitute her with someone else? 这部戏她男朋友投资的。这部戏 this movie, this drama. 部 is a measure word for 戏。戏 means movie, drama. 她 her 男朋友 boyfriend 投资 to invest. The original sentence should be 这部戏是她男朋友投资的。We play 是 before the thing that we want to emphasize, and we place the after the verb or at the end of the sentence. However, 是 is often omitted if the sentence is affirmative. 你能说换人吗？你 you 能 can you 说 to say 换人 to substitute her with someone else 吗 yes no question. This movie is invested by her boyfriend. Can you say you want to substitute her with someone else? Here you should also know that 3 different can. 可以 indicates permission. None indicates physical ability or possibility of doing something. 会 indicates acquire ability or learn ability after practice.
Nikki 啊，是你女朋友啊，要赶快结婚了啊！
Nikki 啊，是你女朋友啊。Some people would add after a name as a greeting, so you can say something like Linus Tony to replace just say hi. 是你女朋友啊 It's your girlfriend, right? It's an ending particle for yes no questions, but when you say normally you're so sure that the answer is going to be yes. When you use ma, the chance is 50-50. When you use ba, the chance is like 80%. When you say the chance is almost 100%. 要赶快结婚了哦。要 you should, you have to. 赶快 to hurry up, hurriedly. 结婚 to get married. 了 change of status. Nick, it's your girlfriend, right? You should hurry up and get married. In Chinese culture, after you graduate from the identity as a student, elderly people would always like to ask you about, where's your boyfriend? Where's your girlfriend? When will you get married? And after you get married, they will come up with something else like, when will you have a baby? When are you going to buy a house? They just like to keep piling up to ask you a lot of questions that is related to your life.
阿嬷，谢谢您邀请我来您的家，这里好漂亮。
阿嬷，谢谢您邀请我来您的家。阿嬷 grandma. 阿嬷 is actually Hokkien. In Chinese, we should say 奶奶。谢谢您 thank you. 邀请我 to invite me, like to come. 您的家 your home. Grandma, thank you for inviting me to your home. 这里好漂亮。这里 here 好 so 漂亮 to be beautiful. It is so beautiful here.
阿妈，乖孙子，你回来了！这么多日子也不回来看看阿妈，还好我还活着呢。
你吃了吗？你怎么瘦了？
乖孙子，你回来啦。乖 to be well behaved, to be obedient. 孙子 grandson 回来 to come back. La is actually le and a. 你回来了啊 and it turns to be 你回来啦。Grandson, you came back. 这么多日子也不回来看看阿嬷。这么多 this many 日子 day 也 also 不回来 not come back 看看 to take a look to pay a visit 阿嬷 grandma for so many days not coming back to pay a visit to your grandma 还好我还活着还好 still good it means luckily fortunately 我还 still 活着 to be alive. Luckily, I'm still alive. 你吃了吗 Did you eat? 你怎么瘦了怎么 means how.瘦 to be skinny. How did you become skinny?
我想念您煮的菜，阿嬷，这是我的好朋友Rachel Chu。
我想念您煮的菜。我想念 to miss 您 you 煮 to cook 菜 literally means vegetable but here we translate it as dish or food 您煮的菜 means the dishes or the food that you cook I miss the dishes that you cook 阿嬷 grandma 这是我的好朋友 this is my good friend To be honest, it's kind of weird to introduce your girlfriend as a good friend. It sounds like you're trying to avoid telling people your actual relationship, and your girlfriend would definitely be mad at you. It would be more appropriate to just say, 这是我的女朋友。
阿嬷，谢谢您邀请我来您的家。Nick 经常提起您，他说您包的水饺是全世界最好吃的啊。
阿嬷。谢谢您邀请我来您的家。Grandma, thank you for inviting me to your home. Nick 经常提起您。经常 often 提起 to mention about. 他说您包的水饺是世界上最好吃的啊。他说 he said 包 means to wrap. 水饺 dumpling.您包的水饺 the dumplings you wrap 是 is 全世界的 whole world 最好吃的啊 the most delicious. Nick often mentions about you. He said the dumplings you wrap are the most delicious in the whole world.
那没什么的，你愿意我可以教你。
那实在太好了。
那没什么的。那 that 没 not to have 什么 as the question word it means what as a noun it means anything so if you don't have anything that means it's nothing the original sentence should be 那是没什么的 but like I said we tend to omit 是 if the sentence is affirmative so you can just say 那没什么的 that's no big deal你愿意我可以教你你 you 愿意 to be willing 我可以 I can 教你 teach you if you are willing I can teach you 那实在太好了那 that 实在 also means really 太好了 great awesome that would be awesome
不过你要早点回来别在这么多人的地方
不过你要早点回来不过 but however 你 you 要 have to 早点 earlier 回来 come back but you have to come back earlier 别在这么多人的地方别在 don't be 这么多 this many 人 person people 地方 place don't be in the places with so many people like this
哦你把 Rachel 也带来了白天我看你看得更清楚了你的鼻子长得很好很有福气我看看你的脸过来
哦你把 Rachel 也带来了你 you 把 to dispose object with an action 也 also 带来 to bring here. Oh, you also brought Rachel here. 白天我看你看得更清楚了。白天 in the daytime. 我看你 when I look at you. 看得更清楚了。更 even more. 清楚 to be clear. In the daytime, I can see you even more clear. 你的鼻子长得很好。你的 your 鼻子 nose 长得很好。It grows well. That means you have a beautiful nose. 很 very 有 to have. 福气 good fortune. 很有福气 to be with good fortune. You have a beautiful nose with good fortune. 我看看你的脸，过来。我爱看看 to take a look. 你的 your 脸 face. Let me take a look at your face. 过来 come over. In our culture, we really believe in physiognomy. We believe that we can tell your destiny, your fate, based on how you look like.
长得真好看，清楚了。
长得真好看 You look really beautiful. 清楚了 It's now clear.
坐吧，坐吧，孙子。
坐吧，坐吧，坐。Sit, sit, sit.
哎呦，这是你包的饺子吧？怎么包那么难看呢？退步了，
哎呦，这是你包的饺子吧？哎呦 alas 这是你包的饺子吧？ This is the dumpling you wrap, right? 怎么包那么难看？怎么 how 包 to wrap 那么 that 难看 ugly. How could you wrap it so ugly? 退步了，退 to move back, 步 step. To move your step back means you do it less well than before.
谢谢你，阿妈。
你家人不用说谢啊。
谢谢你，阿嬷. Thank you, Grandma. In Chinese, this sentence is grammatically correct, but it sounds very English Chinese to me. I would also call it interest, because we don't really like to repeat the same object. So you can just say 谢谢阿嬷. You don't have to say 谢谢你，阿嬷。一家人不用说谢谢。一家人 means people from the same family. 不用 no need to. 说 to say 谢谢 thank you. People from the same family don't have to say thank you to each other.
说的是吧
Rachel， 虽然我认识你的日子不长，可我看得出来，你是个聪明人。可我不能让你毁了我的孙子跟我的家。
阿嬷
Rachel, 虽然我认识你的日子不长，虽然 even though 我爱认识 to know 你 you 日子 day, but here we can also translate it as time 不长 not long. Rachel, even though the time I know you is not long, 可我看得出来你是个聪明人。可 from 可是 but 我爱看得出来 is an expression meaning to be able to tell. 你是个 you are a 聪明 smart 人 person, you are a smart person. 可我不能让你毁了我的孙子跟我的家。可我不能让你 but I cannot let you 毁 to destroy 我的 my 孙子 grandson 跟 can mean with or and. Here we translate it as and. 我的家 my home. But I cannot let you destroy my grandson and my home.
I don't want any part of your family.
Rachel
不许追他，糟践你自己，不许动。你要跟他走
Let me
就别
go
回来。
Rachel
不许追他，不许 to be not allowed. 追 to chase. 他 her. You are not allowed to chase her. 着急你自己 着急 to worry about 你自己 yourself. Worry about yourself. 不许动 to move. You are not allowed to move. 你要跟他就别回来。你要跟他 if you want to go with her. If you want to go with her. If you want to be with her, then you don't come back.
全是你的错儿，都是你呀，让他在外头待那么久。你看今
全是你的错，全 all 是 is 你的 your 错 fault mistake is all your fault 都是你呀 it's all you 让他在外头待那么久让他 to that him 在 to be in to be at 外头 outside you can also say 外边外面 here we can also translate it as places that are not near to them. Die to stay, 那么 that 久 long. You let him stay outside for that long. 你看今天 see what happened today.
Hello， 快点快点。
Sorry, just one.
Hello, 快点快点 Hi, hello, quicker, quicker. Hurry up. Well, that's everything today. Hope you learned something and I will see you next time. Bye.